This video demonstrates the performance characteristics of the Go Pilot drug delivery systems. Here you'll see a mock-up of an intubated patient with an initial overview of the device and its components, including the controller, the ventilator with set parameters, the controller is set in a demonstration mode. Airflow sensor is demonstrated as well. Actuator and MDI adapter with a separate support tubing is shown. Airflow sensor being inserted on the inspiratory limb of the ventilator circuit. The airflow sensor is unidirectional. Power cords as they insert into the controller. Controller with touchscreen and passcode protected software. Demonstration of the flow sensor. Demonstration of an insertion of a MDI canister into the MDI adapter, followed by insertion of the actuator distal to the heat and moisture exchanger. The canister is tightened. The actuator is adjustable and readily accepts different sized MDI canisters. The knob adjusts the MDI canister like a gas cap that prevents over-tightening. To use the device, medication that is to be administered is barcoded and scanned into the medication administration record. To administer the medication, a passcode is required to enter the number of sprays in the canister, followed by entering the number of sprays to be administered per dose, followed by entering of the time interval between doses, followed by the offset of the first dose to be administered. The Go Pilot calculates how long the current canister will last and confirms the settings. The device has built-in alerts demonstrating improperly loaded MDI canister or a lack of release of medication from the MDI. Adjusting the actuator allows for administration of the medication. An alert exists for actuator malpositioning. An alert exists for wrong passcode entered. A strain gauge is in place that determines improperly loaded or unreleased medication. The following represents pressure and flow tracings comparing the accuracy of the Go pilot to a manual actuation by respiratory therapist. The therapist is asked to initiate the meter dose inhaler at the initiation of the respiratory cycle when gas flow is at the greatest. Manual administration demonstrates actuation of the meter dose inhaler in the mid-inspiratory cycle during a low flow state, while actuation by the Go pilot demonstrates early MDI actuation during a high flow state.